I joined Master 3 Akarashanas, this beautiful, beautiful event, and wow, it just like it opened up new like brain patterns, new locks has been unlocked, and wow, yeah, just absolutely amazing. I freaking got so much motivation. There's no reason to stop anymore. There's absolutely no excuses. The only thing that could stop me is my mind telling me something which is like blah blah blah, and it's like no, like why would I even listen to that, because that's not me. That's just some BS. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. This was probably like life changing. Let's see in some months. Cheers.